Gumbo Limbo Adventures by Rebecca Leitman and Lucia, Heredia, a coloring book. Hey kids, this is Gumbo Limbo expert Jane and Tim, and today they will teach you about the Gumbo Limbo tree and all its great adaptations. The Gumbo Limbo's common names include Gumbo Limbo, Copperwood Chaka, and Turpentine tree. Its scientific name is Bursera cymborea. The Gumbo Limbo is a tropical tree found in northern and South America, the Caribbean, and southeast Florida. It is a native species to Key Biscayne. Let's learn more about the Gumbo Limbo's adaptations. This is Sam the squirrel. He lives near the Gumbo Limbo tree and would love to know more about them. He asked the experts about the tree. Expert Jane explained that the Gumbo Limbo develops an unusual red bark that peels. Therefore, the Gumbo Limbo is nicknamed the tourist tree. Wow, Sam the squirrel is fascinated by Gumbo Limbo facts and adaptations and would love to know more. Jane's assistant Tim explained that the Gumbo Limbo can adapt to a variety of soils, including poor, deep, white sand or good soil. Bella the butterfly, who lives near the Gumbo Limbo tree, overhears interesting conversations between Jane and Sam, so she joins them. She knows the Gumbo Limbo tree spreads seeds when people cut twigs or branches, and the seeds begin falling on the ground, and then a new tree begins to grow. Wow, expert Jane and Tim are shocked to know that Bella knows facts about the Gumbo Limbo. Tim also explains that Sam and Bella how in one day a Gumbo Limbo tree could absorb 100 gallons of water. Tim explains that Gumbo Limbo tree roots are shallow, often move around across the surface, taking advantage of the high water. It's capable of living through a drought, wind, and poor soil. The Gumbo Limbo tree is also adapted to become a good hurricane-resistant tree thanks to its strong roots. Bella the butterfly adds on to what Tim said. It's capable of living through a drought, wind, and poor soil. The Gumbo Limbo tree has also adapted to become a good hurricane-resistant tree thanks to its strong roots. The Gumbo Limbo tree has also been considered one of the most wind-tolerant trees. Sam and Bella are shocked to learn all these new facts about adaptations. They never knew the Gumbo Limbo tree has so many adaptations. Bella the butterfly remembers she also knows new facts about the Gumbo Limbo. She explains how the Gumbo Limbo is considered a living fence in some places because people have found that a branch stuck into the ground could grow in trees. The settlers would put the Gumbo Limbo branches into the ground that would quickly grow into trees. The tree quality contributes to oxygen, helping air quality, climate amelioration, conserving water, preserving soil, and supporting wildlife. Expert Jane explains how this is a Gumbo Limbo adaptation related to climate change. The Gumbo Limbo is also an important food source to squirrels and monkeys. This contributes to species evolution because without Gumbo Limbo, animals would be part of the food chain. Another fact Tim explains how Gumbo Limbos have lots of biodiversity because they tend to grow fast. Biodiversity is a variety of life in an ecosystem. He also explained the Gumbo Limbos use photosynthesis. Now that you're done reading, that was the end of the story. And now that you're done reading, fill out these great puzzles to know how much you know about the Gumbo Limbo's amazing information adaptations. Here's a zip note about Key Biscayne. Key Biscayne, Florida. It is amazing. Yes, it's a unique island. In this island, the best beaches can be found.